Dr. Qassimloo, in view of the fighting in Suez and the likelihood that the army could go into Sanandaj, do you see any large-scale conflict developing between the Kurds and the Tehran government?
Yes, I do. You see, it's about 4 months that we are trying to have some kind of real negotiations. But now we know really that the central government, if there is some, because you know there are many center of decision making in Tehran, but the central government doesn't want really to agree with our demands, which are very simple. We want autonomy in the framework of the Iranian state. So you see, the situation is now no war. It was before some days, no war and no peace. This kind of situation cannot be very long. So we think that in the army and in the central government there are many people who are trying to provoke another war in Kurdistan. And of course we did our best in order to stop this war. But just now when we see that we are obliged to participate, so we shall defend ourselves by all our force.